Hello my friends, how are we all doing? Happy I hope. In this video today is my user experience with the KeyChrons. The KeyChrons is honestly a beefy little munchkin. This weighs like a bag of chips, and this is like a bag of cheese. I have to warn you about something. The KeyChrons will go into sleep mode if you haven't used your computer for a while. It takes some seconds to turn on and reconnect. If you don't want the KeyChrons disconnecting on you even when you're using your computer, use the cable option and that will stay connected. However, the Apple Magic Key Bluetooth stays connected seamlessly throughout the whole day. If you're planning to go somewhere with your KeyChrons, it can be a bit annoying to turn off because it's shared between cable and Bluetooth. The off will be in the middle of this switch. This is my gaming experience with the KeyChrons. It is a lot easier to play with comparing with the Apple Magic Keys, as the button is more squishy, I guess? Hehe. My whole experience with the KeyChrons so far is really positive. I really enjoy using this as it makes me more productive. The Apple Keys is a different experience, minimal and easy to use, but I choose the mechanical keys over whatever these Apple ones are. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs. Boop, boop, boppity, boop, boopity, boop, bop.